Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those that are new here, do good to subscribe, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking by me. Have you ever wondered why there is pepper in our beans, or why do we keep pepper in our beans? It's to keep the weevil away. So it is said that when you have pepper inside your beans, it's going to keep all the beans weevil away, and there will be no holes or dirt and the rest of those holes in your beans. Let's get this recipe done now. I'll be using red beans, and now I've thoroughly washed my beans. The next thing I'll do is to get some onions. There needs to be as much onions as possible in your beans. You can never go wrong with too many onions. It gives a fantastic taste, and I also learned that it helps your beans to cook faster. I'll be transferring the thoroughly washed beans and onions into my pressure pot. I wouldn't be adding salt for now. Again, why is this? I learned that if you put salt in your beans early enough, it doesn't cook quickly. After transferring the beans in my pressure pot, I allow it to cook and soften. I'm checking just to ensure that the beans is well cooked. And the next thing I'll be going in with my bouillon cubes. I'll go with my salt to taste, and then I'll cover the beans again to thoroughly cook. The next thing I'll be using my blended scotch bonnet. So scotch bonnet only, no tomatoes. Again, I love to put my chili powder. Nigerian calls it atagigun, or Yoruba tribe of Nigerian calls it atagigun. It gives it this taste that is so heavenly and delicious. And again, I'm going to thoroughly mix my beans together and allow to cook for a while before adding my palm oil. You need to mix the palm oil, ensure it's well incorporated together, and then cover to cook again, because you need to ensure that the palm oil is well cooked. And once you are certain that all these ingredients are mixed together, the next thing is the beans is ready. Now, beans can never be too soft, but beans can be too hard. So one thing I do is to also mash my beans against the pot, which is what you're seeing me do. I'm turning and ensuring that the beans is soft. There is no hard part in the beans. Once again, friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please do good to subscribe. Give us likes and thumbs up. Let me know what video you'd like me to share with you soon. Thank you. Until we meet next time.